Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Sips by unboxing. I just did that special Lucky Teas one, so I wanted to put a little space between it and this one, but this is my March box and I can't wait to get in here and see what's inside. So Sips By is a tea subscription that you get monthly. You get 4 different teas and 4 servings of each of those teas. It is $15 per month. I will put their link and my code below, which is KathrinFree, which will get you $5 off your first box. So your first box will only be $10. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And it says March Teas, and on the back it says Made for Kathryn. And I always feel so special when I open that. And then these are my teas. So right off the bat, I will show you that in each box you receive one of these, as long as you get loose tea, I think. I've never had a box where I didn't have loose tea. And it is a muslin bag that has tea bags in it. And the beauty of that is they don't assume you have a tea infuser. So if you receive a box that has loose teas in it, which I have 2 loose teas over there I can see today, you get these cute little tea bags, and they're just paper tea bags. And you put in how much ever it says to use on the tea into this, and then you don't have to have an infuser. Or, like me, I do have an infuser, and I still use these because when I'm done, I chuck it and nothing needs to be cleaned. Don't tell anybody. Okay, let's look at this right away and select one that I can put right into my teacup and get steeping. All right, we will just start right at the very top with White Peach Oolong. And that comes in individual tea bags, and that is what it looks like. And we do indeed have, well, 4 of them, and it is Wooyi Oolong Tea, Orange Peel, Lemongrass, Natural White Peach Flavor, and Natural Peach Flavor. Yep, we are definitely drinking this. So before we talk any more about it, let me open it up and get it steeping. Okay, and that is what our tea bag looks like, and it already smells peachy. I can smell it already. Oh my gosh, that is going to be fantastic. I can't wait. Okay, let's see what the paperwork says about this. White Peach Oolong Sips By Stash Tea. And Sips By is whoever made the tea. So that's what Sips By is all about. They have so many companies that they get tea from and so many kinds of different teas. And when you sign up, you go in and you tell them everything you like about tea, about food. They ask you so many questions about no caffeine, high caffeine. They want to send you what you want to receive, and they have done a great job with me. This is 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, 170 to 180 degrees steeping for 3 to 5 minutes. And I will say, like I always say with this, I don't temp my water. If it's a high temp that's like just off boiling, I put it in right away. If it's like this one, 170 to 180 degrees, this is perfect. I made this water downstairs. I came upstairs. It's been sitting here for a while I started this video, so it was probably perfect at 170 or 180. It is medium caffeine. Oolong from the cliffs of China Wayu Mountain, paired with the fresh, sweet flavors of white peach. Enjoy this refreshing tea as a gentle pick-me-up any time of day. All right, well, we'll see in a little bit how delicious that is. Reaching in next, we have Black Tea Apricot Sunrise by Ahmad Tea, London. And that is what that looks like. And the paperwork says you steep it at 212 degrees. So this one you put in really pretty close to taking it off the burner for 3 to 5 minutes. It is high caffeine, so this is a very early morning one for me. Ahmad Tea is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply teas for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. This juicy apricot tea pairs well with scones. That sounds delicious. That's what I'm telling you. When we first open this box up and I grab a tea out, that's going to be the one that I'm going to try, we invariably come across others where I was like, oh, I wish I was trying that too. Reaching in next, I have the K&K Chai. Chai something better. And it's an herbal chai. That is very exciting, which means it's going to be low or no caffeine. And that works so well for me because those are the ones that I can have in the afternoon. I really try not to caffeinate the Kathryn in the afternoon. Herbal Chai Sips by K&K Chai. 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces, 208 degrees. That is very specific. And steep 3 minutes. And it's a South African rooibos, vanilla, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, allspice, star anise, cloves, and orange peel. This natural caffeine-free blend of South African rooibos, vanilla bean, and masala spices is amazing brewed on its own, but also stands up well to added milk and sweetener. And the other beauty that I haven't mentioned is if you get this box, when you get it, you can go into your account and you can purchase any of these teas, usually at a discount or free shipping or something like that. Like that one was 15% off with your code. And the oolong was free shipping on orders over $20. The apricot sunrise is 20% off and free shipping. And then there's this one, and it is the Lavender Do White Tea, rejuvenating and aromatic floral tea with the freshness of lavender spearmint. That sounds so nice. Lavender spearmint. Yum. And it says it's 10 grams, 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces, 170 to 175 degrees, and steep 4 to 5 minutes. And it's by Ahmad Tea. It is a low caffeine, and this fresh floral aroma of this light-bodied tea will freshen you up instantly. The aromatic trio of roses, lavender, and mint will rejuvenate your mind and soothe your soul. Interesting. Let's open this up and see what it smells like. I should have done that with that chai too. We'll get into that in a second. Oh, that's interesting. And I mean that in a good way. I know that sounds like, ooh, interesting. No, I mean, ooh, interesting. It smells minty, but you do kind of smell the lavender. I usually pour this in my hand, but these days I'm not going to do that. But I hope you can see inside there. There we go. What it looks like. It's just always, they just give you the nicest, chunkiest tea. It's never like tea dust. They wouldn't do it like that. Here, let's get into this chai real quick. Since it's an African rooibos, let's see if it still smells just like a chai. I love chai. It's probably, I was going to say my favorite. I hate to be forced into my favorite corner, but oh, it does. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. I hope you can, yeah, there we go. That's what that looks like. I just love the quality of these teas. And tea, especially these days, especially with everything that's going on, tea has become one of those things that becomes routine, that in the evening, it's kind of what I do, you know, after everything is, although I don't leave the house anymore, so it's not like I go out there and get all wound up. I managed to wind myself up right here in my house. And then I can sit down with a nice cup of tea and enjoy it, and it's perfect. Had to get rid of my tea bag. Time to try the white peach tea. It smells so peachy in here. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. I just love tea. I just love tea. I can't help it. It's so warming and it makes me happy. Thanks for coming by, guys. If you want an extra entry into that giveaway, just let me know below what's your favorite tea. Yep, that's simple. What's your favorite tea? And we will talk really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Be well, guys.